Hi there mga beloved kong soulmates, kamusta po kayong lahat? Andito naman po yung lingkod, Renzo Tarot Channel para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful, meaningful na tarot reading. Dito lamang po sa inyo lagi nabangan, sinasubaybayan ng pinakamal Renzo Tarot Channel. Mega shoutout po sa atlang ating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na lagi nakabang at nanonood. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Sige po, ang ating pong reading ngayon ay isang reading po para sa buwan ng February 2026. What to expect mga ganap kapalaran sa buwan ng February 2026 para sa ating mga pinakawalan nasa sign ng Gemini. Okay, Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus para sa inyong reading na to. Okay, takes what only resonate at kapag hindi kayo naka-resonate, hanapin nyo ang energy ng inyong reading sa mga videos natin. Sige. I hope and I pray na sa mabuti po kayong kalagayan, you are happy, you are safe, and of course, you are healthy. Maraming salamat po. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel, ay wag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-comment, like, share, and of course, don't forget to subscribe kapag nagustuhan niyo po ang ating video ngayon. Sige. Last one shuffle for you, Gemini. Wag na nating patagalin pa at kunin na natin ang 10 baraha. Okay? Let's begin. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, 10 cards please for Gemini. 10 baratang po para sa Gemini for February 2026 reading. Sige. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. So I have 1, 2, Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, 3, 7 cards more please for Gemini February 2026 reading. Ayun. Ay. Yan. 4, 5, 6. Okay, maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Kung wala po kayo ay wala pong success ng Renzo Tarot Channel. Pag ganito po mga nagpapakita ay binabalik po natin, kailangan yung mga nakakaublang. So, yan, balik natin. We have 7 cards already, Gemini, para sa yung February 2026 reading. 8, last 2 cards please for Gemini, February 2026 reading. Ang pinaka kong Gemini. Last one. Yun. So nagpakita. Last one. Sige, kunin ko to. Nasa dulo. Okay, Gemini, your 10 cards are now complete. I know that you're so excited like me. And wag natin patagalin pa. Simulan na natin ang iyong February 2026 reading. Let's begin, Gemini, with your first card, the Death card. This is a very beautiful opening card. So, death comes ending sa mga sitwasyon na mga hindi na nag-work out para sa'yo. Sabi, not working for you anymore. So, mapa-relationship mo yan, career, workplace, friends, family members, or any kind of situation na toxic, unhealthy, na nagkakos sa'yo ng heavy burdens, so anxiety, stress, okay, emotional baggages, so that is not working for you anymore. So this death card ay matatapos na yan. Comes February ay maraming matatapos or endings with that things. And of course, alam natin bakit sinabi kong maganda. Siyempre kapag may tinatapos si universe, ibig sabihin there's something big, something new, extraordinary thing is being prepared for you. May kapalit yan na mas maganda or para sa ikabubuti mo, Gemini. So expect February, don't be surprised kung may mga relationship or sitwasyon na biglang matapos, biglaan. It's like, kumbaga, hindi mo in-expect, talagang wala sa plano, pero ganyan talaga. Sometimes endings comes unexpectedly, but you should remember that hindi yan mangyayari nang walang kapalit. Okay? Second card mo, February, comes with this 7 of Wands. Ang nakikita natin dito ay there are some people that you need to be cautious of, na dapat anong tawag nito, mag-ingat ka sa pagkikisama. Maybe you are dealing with this kind of people that are envious of you, naiinggit sa'yo. It's because maybe nakikita ko dito is because they are not happy of the progress that you have or that you are developing, siguro all the blessings that you are receiving. That's why here you are, unti-unti nilang bubunutin itong mga pundasyon, itong mga wands. That's because for you to fail, maybe it's like too good to be true. It seems na parang sa harap ay parang nag-a-advise sa'yo or parang ganito, concern sa'yo. But yung pala deep inside, it's because they are insecure, parang hindi sila masaya dito sa para sa iyo. That's why be careful with this one, February. The universe will be sending signs sa iyo, Gemini, para makilala mo kung sino mga taong to na dapat mo nang iwasan and itong mga tao na to ay ito rin yung dapat mo i-cut off or magkakaroon ng endings with the death cards. Kung hindi mo to magawa ng paraan, don't you worry because the universe ang gagawa ng paraan para tanggalin sila sa buhay mo. Okay? Magka-connect ang ating baraha. So, King of Wands, yung pangatong baraha. So, comes February, there will be as like a very strong foundation or stability in terms of your emotions and your decision making. Okay, King of Wands, hindi na ikaw yung dati Gemini na parang nauuto-uto, na mabilis paikutin, parang ginagamit ka lang for their own good. Comes February, you will be transformed with this death card. Sabi ko nga panibagong ikaw naman ito, Gemini na hindi na basta-basta magagamit or yun na nga, maluloko, mauuto-uto. It's because you will be standing on your ground na lahat ng desisyon, lahat ng mga bagay na gagawin, it will be coming from your own discernment or your own judgment or decision na walang makakapag-sway nito. Maaaring siguro may mga tao pa dyan bubulong-bulong sa paligid mo, ay huwag mong gawin yan ganito. But if you know that it's really what you wanted or what you want, it comes from your heart and you have considered all the options and you have considered all the factors, even you have trusted the universe by the signs na binibigay niya, then you should do it. Okay? Regardless sa mga desisyon ng ibang tao, kailangan ikaw na ang gagawa nito. So, here, kinonfirm tayo ng pangatong baraha, comes February, talagang there will be a new beginning. This Ace of Wands is a new chapter. In terms of socialization, may mga mawawalang kaibigan, may mga bagong parating na makikilala. May relationship na matatapos, may bagong darating para sa'yo. So, Death card comes a new beginning. So, this Ace of Wands comes February, may massive, overhaul, sa company may isang, malawakang pagtanggalan ng mga trabador at meron namang ipapalit because like sa sistema parang hindi na nag-work out, magulo na ang lahat, so kailangan ayusin muna, so magtatanggal muna lahat, tatanggalin, and para maayos ito Gemini, para maayos ang sistema mo sa buhay, you need a refresh. Okay, kailangan i-restart natin para maging maayos ang lahat. So expect that on February, a restart of all aspects in your life. Okay, emotion, finances, workplace, o kung ano man yan, relationship with other people. So wag ka na magulat dyan, mayroon talagang massive overhaul ang universe para sa'yo. Oh my God! Tingnan mo, Ace of Cups. So, this Ace of Cups, sabi ko, related na rin to sa Ace of Wands. So, generalize ko na dito. Ace of Cups represents like the achievements, milestone, success. So, there will be a new beginning. You are guaranteed. Comes February talagang merong puro bago ito. Wala ditong matitira na luma. So, talagang lahat ng aspeto ng pagkatao mo talagang mababago. So, Ace of Cups represents new beginning, new horizon that is waiting for you. Comes February, Gemini, talagang magugulat ang mga tao sa paligid mo, kaibigan mo, pamilya mo, na bagong ikaw talaga ang masasaksihan ng lahat. So, Ace of Wands, Death card, King of Wands, Ace of Cups, puro bago, puro fresh ideas. Makakaroon ka ng mga panibagong mga bagay na maaring subukan, maaring mag-enroll ka ng bagong course, lumipat ka ng trabaho. So something all about mga bagay na mga bago sa paningin, bago sa panlasa, malayo dun sa gusto mo dati at ngayon magugustuhan mo na. Okay? Papapansin mo yung Gemini, yan ang mangyayari sa'yo sa February. So, pang-anim na baraha is Five of Cups. So, maybe magiging uncomfortable para sa ito, lalong-lalo na kung nasanay ka na kumbaga dito ka na comfortable, it's because naging comfort zone mo na ito, bigla talagang nawala or tinanggal sa universe. That's why there's a little bit of disappointment, frustration, and sadness. But at least now, alam mo na talagang kailangan mong tanggapin kung ano man mangyari. Then, magkatapos sila ng death card. So, ending. So, kailangan mo talagang tapusin yung pagiging pessimistic, negative thinker, Gemini, for you to move on, to move forward. Okay, kailangan kung ano ang dumating, you need to embrace it. That's part of the process. Sabi ko nga, but isipin mo na kapag you dwell on it, or kapag maapektuhan ka, malungkot ka, baka mamaya hindi ka makamove forward or may stuck ka pa rin niya sa sitwasyon hanggang mapag-iwanan ka. Okay, this is the best chance na bibigay sa universe for a new start, for a fresh beginning. That's why kailangan mong tulungan ang sarili mo, okay? Maybe yes, that's part, frustrations and disappointments are part of the process here in the universe, but you need to make a way para at least to move forward, okay? Then, seven cards. Seventh card mo is a page of wands. So, kaya no, February there will be mapapansin mo na may progress na, may improvement na sa mga bagay-bagay sa iyo. Not only sa mga career-related, the mga win-work at but even your attitude, your personality, there will be a lot of improvement. Malayong malayo, sabi ko nga sa dating ikaw. So, there will be it's like kumbaga, a lot of new things talagang will be opening for you. So, mapapansin to ng karamihan. So, look at this one, page of wands. This card represents growth. So, may mga tinatrabaho ka din for a long time na hindi mo pa nakikita ang bunga. Maybe you are doubting with it, but comes February ay makikita mo unti-unti nang tutubo ang mga dahon. So, this is an indication or a signal na you are on the right track. Tama yung decision na ginawa mo, na pinaglaban mo yan or pinagpuyatan mo. It's because unti-unti nang makikita mo ang progress nito, yung growth nito. Hindi man biglaan or hindi man malakihan, but still at least there is an improvement. Okay? February Gemini, makikita mo na unti-unti mag-improve ang sitwasyon ng mga bagay na wino-workout mo. Okay? And pangwalo mong baraha is the Nine of Pentacles card. So there will be a stability, growth, ang tawag nito talagang in terms of money, this because it's a Pentacles, talagang meron talagang kumbaga magandang solid na pundasyon na meron kang pinagkakakitaan, maganda yung trabaho mo, okay ka dito, hindi ka kinakapos, maybe meron yung kung ano man yung business mo, at least it will provide you ng maayos na kumbaga kaperahan. So you don't need to worry about finances. So magiging maayos ang flow ng finances para sa starting February. And talagang, of course, it will make you happy because of the color of joy. So, magiging okay ang lahat para sa'yo. Not only Pentacles, but it also nakikita natin dito even your kumbaga sa craft na minamaster mo, sa skills mo, sa talent mo, mas lalong ito madedevelop, mas lalo itong lalago, mas lalong maraming matutulungan o marami pang makakakilala sa'yo dahil sa craft na yan na talagang minamaster mo. Okay? And I hope naka-resonate ang lahat. Mag-comment nga kayo. And please like and share, of course, subscribe sa ating channel. Let's continue with your 9th card, Page of Swords. So here, you're at the top of the mountain. So you will be unstoppable. Walang makakapigil sa iyo. You will be filled with confidence. Malayong malayo sa dati ikaw, Gemini. Ngayon, magiging buo na ang loob mo. Matapang ka na naharap sa mga hamon ng buhay. You will not be considering, you will not be entertaining opinions with other people now. So talagang punong-puno ka na ng kumpiyansa ngayon. Lalabas ka sa crowd, sa community now with full confidence na hindi ka na magpapapekto sa sasabihin nila. You will be considering whatever will be the result, failed man o success, matatanggap mo ito because you have a very positive mindset now. Comes February, you will be doing unconventional things pero with full of confidence, pero matatanggap mo kung ano man ang maging result niya. It's because sabi ko nga, there's already a maturity in terms of decision making para sa'yo. Okay? Then, 10th and last card, tapusin natin February 2026 reading mo, Gemini, with your 10th card. Oh my God, lumabas ang tatlong ace. Ace of Wands, Ace of Cups, and here the Ace of Pentacles. Massive, kung may massive overhaul, kung may malakihang pagtanggal, pagtatapos, merong malakihang darating para sa'yo. Ace of Pentacles not only represents big amount of money, but it represents big milestone that will be opening on your doors. So, Gemini, I am so happy congratulating you. This is very rare. Minsan lang mangyari sa reading na ito na lumabas yung kompletong ace. So, wala lang dito yung Ace of Swords, but andito yung Ace of Wands, Ace of Cups, then Ace of Pentacles, Death. So, anong sabihin nito? Connected ang baraha, malinaw ang naisip parating ng universe para sa Gemini na talagang may magtatapos pero may mas malaki, mas doble, mas extraordinary na parating sa iyo na inilaan sa universe na parating sa buhay mo. Comes February, you will be reaping all the fruits of hard work, all the benefits of extra nights and extra days na talagang nilaan mo, sinakripisyo mo at nilaban mo. Okay? That was a very beautiful reading and I hope and I pray na maraming nasa sign ng Gemini makapadol ito ngayon. At kapag naka-resonate po kayo na gusto niyo po ating reading ngayon, wag po kayong magdalawang isip na mag-comment. I am replying to all the comments, like and share. And of course, wag niyo pong kalimutan mag-subscribe. Yan lang pong hingin kong tulong sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Nasa mga kayo naroon na naman ginagawa niyo, mag-ingat kayo lagi. God bless us all.